Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Salesforce Certified Administrator Training, Lecture 10. In this lecture, we will learn about Salesforce Administration Best Practices, why data backup and recovery strategies are critical, performance optimization techniques to boost your business, data quality and data governance, best practices, troubleshooting and resolving common issues, Salesforce release management and upgrades, what you need to know. Conclusion. Why data backup and recovery strategies are critical. In today's digital age, data is one of the most valuable assets for any business. However, it is also vulnerable to various threats such as cyber attacks, hardware failures, natural disasters, and human errors. Without a proper backup and recovery strategy, businesses risk losing their valuable data forever. The consequences of data loss can be catastrophic, ranging from financial losses and legal liabilities to reputational damage and even bankruptcy. Therefore, it is critical for businesses to take proactive measures to protect their data by implementing robust backup and recovery strategies. Performance optimization techniques to boost your business. Performance optimization techniques can give your business a competitive edge by improving efficiency and productivity. By streamlining processes, reducing wait times, and minimizing downtime, you can increase customer satisfaction and employee morale. Data quality and data governance, best practices. To ensure data quality, it's important to establish clear guidelines for data entry and maintenance. This includes standardizing naming conventions, defining data types and formats, and regularly reviewing and updating data. Effective data governance requires a comprehensive approach that involves not only establishing policies and procedures, but also ensuring compliance and accountability through regular audits and monitoring. This includes identifying and mitigating risks, as well as providing training and support to staff who handle sensitive data. Troubleshooting and resolving common issues. Data management can be a complex process, and it's not uncommon for issues to arise. One common problem is data duplication, which can lead to confusion and errors. To resolve this issue, it's important to establish clear guidelines for data entry and regularly clean up duplicates. Another common issue is data inconsistency, where the same data is stored in different formats or with different values. This can cause problems when trying to analyze or report on the data. To address this issue, it's important to establish standard data definitions and ensure consistent data entry across all systems. Salesforce release management and upgrades, what you need to know. Salesforce is constantly evolving, with new features and updates being released regularly. It's important to stay up to date with these changes to ensure that your organization is getting the most out of the platform. Effective release management involves careful planning, testing, and communication to minimize disruption and ensure a smooth transition to new features. Upgrades are essential for maintaining security, performance, and compatibility with third-party applications. Conclusion. In conclusion, it's clear that data backup and recovery strategies, performance optimization techniques, data quality and governance best practices, troubleshooting and resolving common issues, and Salesforce release management and upgrades are all critical components of effective data management. To implement these strategies, we recommend conducting a thorough assessment of your current data management processes, identifying areas for improvement, and creating a comprehensive plan for implementation. Additionally, it's important to regularly review and update your strategies to ensure they remain effective over time.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.